Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create reports in ClickUp. First, I want you to go ahead and click on any list that you want to report for. So let's do project 1. And then what we have to do is come in, click on a view. Okay, this plus icon with view, go ahead and click on this. And then I want you to scroll down and look for a dashboard. So click on this option right here. And you can name it anything you want, right? Report dashboard, anything as such. So just name it like that. But it's basically your report. So if I come and put that name in, I can close this now. So as you can see, we have a lot of different metrics we can view. Okay. So this is the executive summary generated by the AI, the key efforts, initiatives being done, the total tasks by assignee. Okay. You can see I am being assigned about 42%, actually 21.42%, and 42.86% is unassigned. Pioneer has been assigned about 35%. These are the open tasks by assignee. Okay, whoever has open tasks left and the number of the open tasks. So you can go ahead and see the different tasks completed and who completed them. So you can go ahead and access your tasks that have been unassigned. You just assign them. Okay. And there you go. These are the tasks that are due. The latest activities you can see right here. Whatever's unassigned, whatever's in progress, whatever's been completed. And here you'll see the workload by status. Okay. So that is how you can do this. If you want to share this, come here at the top right, click on share. And there we go. We can just copy this link and share with people. Okay. So this is a private link. This one is already being shared by the people who are already in this project. There's 3 people. If you don't want to give them access to the report dashboard, just toggle this off. Okay. And then whoever you want to give access to, you can go ahead and copy that link to. Okay. Really that easy and simple.